So today, Casper, Sarah, and I are at Lewis Park Nature Preserve for a little hike.
I like to move it.
Should that be the song for this hike?
Move it.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it.
Dry him off. It's a tennis ball. Is it a tennis ball? Did you find a tennis ball? He didn't really want it. He just didn't want me to have it. Casper. Hey, Casper. Casper. See it? Ready? Ready? Yeah, what's over here? Can you go in there?
Table Casper?
Look how muddy is with that. Oh, that one wasn't what you wanted? Alright, we're moving, Casper. There. Oh, yeah, that's a marginal view at best.
Oh yeah, I got a stick, guys.
Casper, go get mommy. I'm pretty sure he does. What?
He's like a fish out of water.
Good boy. Why don't you use that big flat rock right next to you in the trail? Right. Go get mommy, Casper.
I love how all the girls move their body. And when you move your body, you know, move it nice and sweet and sexy. Alright? Woman, you're cute, and you don't need no makeup. Original cute body, you want make one man up, woman, you're cute.
Like,
and you don't need no makeup. Original cute body, you want
what? I feel like that too. But I don't see a trail.
Now what?
Are we stuck in some willows? Oh, a deer rubbed his antlers here. Right here. Hey. Somebody's got muddy paws. I do. This guy.
feel like this is becoming more familiar.
Well, we were never on this before. Yeah. Whoa! Somebody dropped a can of beans. Excuse me, sir. Just steer near the edge. And then step right here. Not right there. There, you got it. Yeah. Hey buddy, you coming this way? Whoa! Come here, Casper!
Come on, Daddy! Come on, Casper! Woohoo!
Both of us. Good boy.